Morning, love bug. It's Friday. I'm sitting in the office at grandfather's house. Don't know what I'm gonna be doing today. Gonna maybe go out to the shop or mess around outside somewhere. Gonna go watch Madison in a play later and see my old theater teacher and some of the people at the school, and maybe go have lunch with Sandman. I'll keep taking videos.
Hey, little kitten. Hey. Hey, what you doing? Hey. Oh, hop. Oh, arr. Nibbler. Nibbler. Oh. Arr. You're so cute. Oh.
Here's that trout that my dad made me. I caught it on the Guadalupe in 2011. Tied the state fly fishing record and almost broke the state record. 25 and a half.
Take a selfie with my dog.
Hey! Riding in the car with Sandman. There's Max, his dog. Why are you calm now, huh? You're going ballistic 2 minutes ago and now you're calm. Look. Well, fine, be that way.
So he sees his reflection in glass and stuff and barks at himself.
You're a silly puppy. Alright, see you later. Bye.